cap inside because they might think you've got drugs under it. That's the thing, you're not allowed to wear a cap inside the club.
And what if we do?
I'm not allowed to wear a club then. I'm not allowed to wear a hat into a club.
Well, then you can take it off.
Well, true, but like I won't have.
Yeah, high pony with a cap, yes.
No, but no, I can't. Kane. I don't like the care. Also, I love your lip gloss. You can't wear a hat. It looks shit.
Pony it. Pony it.
Why is everyone on the cat? What if I do like this? Off a
Brush.
Okay, no. I like that. It's a blush, not a brush. This is a brush. With the alpha roll. Oh, fuck me, I'm behind you. You're a twat.
Oh! Does anyone love Megan?
He's a twat.
Love Megan. That is King Harry, baby. How are you?
He's a twat.
Her friends and her mom hate dog. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me none of that puss in a while. She had the boy waiting, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds and sex? What's your name? Keisha Key. Jazz, Sierra, Meg, go.
Ow, you cunt.
Sierra.
Ow, you
On her
cunt.
knees with her ass in the air. Do that little bitch a player.
Oh my.
If her friends ain't behind the recorder, she been over shit that her ass in the mirror. Like, what a nigga gotta do for your number? Shorty came through it there, here so good. I said, fuck it, I ain't using no rubber. When she make that ass bounce, think I love her. Got that ass in that mouth from my mother. Type to make your baby mad, you in trouble.
fucking cat's gonna
NBA playoffs,
fuck
that
my
ass, that's a
face.
bubble. Like, come on. Throw that ass back.
I've never done hair before, guys.
Exactly. Fuck me.
Can you hold this up? Like your hair. Like up.
Let me take a cup off it. You take a cup off of it.
Why? Guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, I want to do it up. Like up.
Up. That's not gonna fit a cat.
It will, like up.
Oh, that's gonna fit a cat.
So fucked.
Exactly.
Like
Fucking cunt. Ow, you bitch.
Like up.
You're a cunt.
Wait, do that up.
Ow. That really.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
So
Silly me.
You're a bitch. Ow.
Wait, hold
It's
on.
not gonna fit a cap.
It will.
It's not. It's a high up ponytail. What do you expect? Ow, you're really hurting me now.
Right, so then we go
Oh, fuck. Bitch.
like that.
That fucking
Hennessy on my lips,
Please be
take a
gentle
little
with
sip,
her.
Hennessy on the door, I'ma make this
Please
shit
be
work.
gentle with her.
Is that right? Guys, I have no idea. I'm so bad at hair.
That hurt.
Wait, does it look bad?
That hurt. Ow! Fuck you.
Does it look bad?
That hurt. You
Oh,
know
this basic house piss. Bust down, bitch. Fucking dumb sis.
Apologise.
Apologise to who?
Hurt my hat.
The person that made your hair. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.
It did hurt though. Fuck me.
It's not my fault.
It's fine. It's good now. Actually,
It's your fault for having a low pain tolerance.
Your fault.
That's my type. That's my type. That's my type.
Bitch.
We should probably go out. It's 1 o'clock.
Okay, I'm ready. You're not.
So drunk.
Exactly.
I'm drunk and I'm, you know what I mean?
Kane, I love you to land. I love this.
Thanks for the dick. Run it up.
I won't lie, the makeup was so good.
It was.
It is, sorry. So good, like, I won't lie.
No, we're not. You're not coming with us.
You're not coming with us, I'm sorry.
You weren't worth my time. Just kidding. You are. Why are you going out so late, babes? We're in Manchester. Like, you can go out any fucking time. And I really appreciate all the follows. What the fuck? You don't have to follow me.
Someone's in Texas, I love that.
That's so cute. I love you all.
Right, I'll have to go, my loves, but it's been a pleasure.
Love ya.
4,500. Go follow my Instagram. I'm going to promote my Instagram. Can someone pin my Insta?
Probably should pin mine more than yours.
I need more followers. You got enough from me.
Just kidding, I've got more than you.
I've got 132k on Insta. Oh.
Okay, yeah, you do.
Right, so
My TikTok,
we love each other. We do. Honestly,
my TikTok and Insta is just King Harry.
I've
but-
known him for over 2 years. You're fine, babe. Honestly.
And I've got more followers than her, so I'm not really that bothered if you follow me or not. Just saying.
I'm more famous. More famous.
Oh, I'm just kidding. No, I love her.
I love her as well.
Oh, hi, Zoe.
I love him.
Right. What do you mean, what the hell?
Oh, we're literally. Honestly, if you look at our DMs, we've been going to each other for over 2 years. I'm not
Yeah, 2 years too long.
sure. 2 years too long.
So tired.
Ages.
I've been up since fucking...
Asshole.
Elfie stumbled in my fucking hotel room last night at like...
You invited me back, bitch.
4.
You invited me back. You
And
said
then-
you wanna have a sermon, and then you had a fucking.
And then I woke and then I woke up at like 7, so I had like 3 hours sleep. I'm so fucking tired.
Right, no one wants to talk about you now. Right.
No, everyone's still speaking to me.
No, it's me.
Love
it's
you
me.
guys. Now going.
Love you. Right.
I
Right.
appreciate you. No boys.
Right, look at me. I'm sexy.
Bye.
No, you're not. I look sexy as fuck right now. He wants to go away. He wants to end the live, guys. I do that on my live. It's my account. Thank you. Today's a twat. Anyway. Jealous. I know it, absolutely. But look at this. How do I look? How can I be jealous of someone on my account, darling? I had my diamonds remade. We made 14.6k diamonds, darling.
How many people have we had?
We've had over 147,000 views.
Oh, we've got 150k people have watched us. Wow. Thanks, guys.
So
love ya.
fun.
Mwah.
Honestly, I love Harry. I've known
Take us. We
him.
might go live when we're there.
Maybe. Just, you know what I mean? Right, I love you. No, we'll get banned. We'll get banned.
If we what?
If we take them with us, we'll get docked.
Oh
for
yeah,
that,
fair alcohol. Yeah.
So no.
No
Evil
bye.
Queen, I love you. Hello on the For You page, and it's on her channel because it will definitely be on the For You page. Can't wait to see you soon, babe. And I love keep being yourself, and I love you. Follow my Instagram. I'm gonna post a story right now. Follow my Instagram. I'm gonna post a story.
Guys, look at this.
What is it? It's from my breasts. Right, I love you, mate. Go live on Instagram. My Insta. See you live on Instagram, babe.